In this video, I'm going to talk about the best free website and funnel building software. And not just talk about it, show you that I am physically using it myself. This is my website that I have built with this free software. Okay, the landing page that I've built is a link in bio template because I'm still busy with my home page. So you can click the links and they go to my website. This is my blog post, right? You can have a look here. This is built in the free system. I've got your form builder on top. I've got a free link in bio template that comes out here. If you click this link, it'll download this into your free system. And I've got a free lead funnel system that goes into your system as well. Now this is the header that I built. If I show you the free funnel, you'll look here. This is the free funnel that I built. It's a lead generation funnel. This is the landing page. You come on here, it tells you the ultimate blueprint for lead generation and conversions. It's a free ebook. You can scroll down, it tells you a bit about the chapters that are involved. There's 17 chapters, about 60 plus pages. It is a brilliant software that allows you to build landing pages, funnels, collect payments, and much more. I'll take you inside it now, and yeah, we can have a look. If you want to look at the blog post, you can go in here. I've done a blog page. I still haven't touched my home page yet. So these are my blogs, right? I've got 6 that I've published, but there are way more that I've written and just gonna start launching one at a time. This is the software that I'm using. I'm not just promoting it. It is my website. You can see the domain here on top. That is my website. So I think it's the best. I've got about 17 websites to 20 websites on what you call this here? WordPress. I'm slowly going to migrate them over. But this is it. To go to your websites, you go into blogs. There's my website. It's called main website. You click on it. On the top you've got post, pages, categories. I've come to pages, and you can see here Creative Ideas Agency. That's my home page, and we can view that. It will take you to here. I've built my system using this free software. Now I'm going to go in depth into it on how to build the software, how to build websites, how to build landing pages, how to do email automation, and courses, because you can build your courses on here as well. If you are interested in this, please use the link below to subscribe to it. And if you have any comments on anything else that I can do for you, please do share them below. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. You can build this. It's easy. Wait, let me show you quickly how to what the inside of the editing page looks like. Let's just create a new page quickly. Let's go to post. So these are my posts. You can see I've created, there's just one category funnel types that I've written. I'm doing more categories now. I've only launched 6 blogs, but I'm going to put the others on launch now. But just quickly, let's just open this live demo funnel. And let me show you what it is all about. This is the live demo funnel page, built on the free software in the link below. Okay. And this is the editor on the left hand side. It is such a pleasure to use it. It's drag and drop. Look here, header. Here's a heading text. You just drag it, put it in, and you start typing. It is brilliant, brilliant. Easy drag and drop. And live preview as well. So let's just look at this page quickly. We're in preview mode. This is the funnel, the page that I've been busy with. Built on the free software. I hope this has helped you make the decision. I'm gonna go deeper into it. I just thought I'd quickly share how you can have this free software.